Hey, what's up everybody? I'm about to show you something that could completely change your online game. We're talking about the High Payout Partner Program, and trust me, this is the real deal. I've helped countless people skyrocket their online earnings. And hey, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, so let's dive right in. The High Payout Partner Program is not your average affiliate marketing gig. It's a game changer that's helped people like Kari make $10K per month, and Matthew earn $100 on his very first upload. Look, let me level with you. You might be worried that you need millions of views, or that you'll have to sacrifice all your time and energy. Maybe you're scared of being at the mercy of the YouTube algorithm. But what if I told you there's a way to make serious cash without being an influencer, showing your face, or even creating a course? That's exactly what the High Payout Partner Program is all about. Now check this out. Would you rather own a YouTube channel that earns $2,000 a month or one that generates $10,000 a month? Yeah, I thought so. Here's the first secret. It's all about being in the right niche and selling something from your channel. It's not just about views or subscribers, it's about monetization. See, most people get this all wrong. They focus on building a massive audience first, and then try to figure out how to make money. But the smart move? Start with monetization in mind. When you're in the right niche and promoting the right products, you can make way more money with fewer views. Alright, so you're probably wondering, what are these magical products I should be promoting? Well, here comes secret number 2. Let me break it down for you. The High Payout Partner Program works best in specific niches. Now here's where it gets really good. You want to find products on platforms like Digistore 24, ClickBank, or individual software affiliate programs. But here's the kicker. You're looking for products that pay at least $200 per sale or offer lifetime recurring income. Think about it. Making a sale once and getting paid month after month, that's the power of recurring income, and it's a total game changer. Imagine getting 400 people paying $50 per month and you only getting 50% of it. That's $10,000 per month for you. Recurring for life as long as they stay subscribed. Secret number 3 is all about getting unlimited traffic to your link. Traffic that will actually convert into sales. You're going to create short-form videos too, all linked back to your main pillar video. This strategy is like creating a web that catches viewers from all angles and funnels them to your money-making content. It's how you can get massive results without needing millions of views on every single video. Now let me tell you about Kari and Matthew. Kari started from scratch and now he's pulling in $10K per month. And Matthew? He made $100 on his very first upload. These aren't just flukes. They're the result of following this exact system. Every time I talk about money, I have to mention a disclaimer. Not everyone who watches this free training is going to automatically become a multimillionaire. But what I'm showing you is the best way that people are using to get there. Look, I get it. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but maybe you're worried that you need to be getting millions of views per month to make this work, or that you'll have to pour all your time and energy into this. Maybe you're scared of being completely dependent on the YouTube algorithm, but you know what? The High Payout Partner Program solves all of these problems. You don't need to be an influencer, you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. This program is designed to work for regular people like you and me, who want to make serious money online without all the usual headaches. Now, let's circle back to those high-paying niches I mentioned earlier. We're talking about wealth, make money online, finance, health, happiness, relationships, technology, software, and travel. These aren't just random categories, they're carefully chosen because they have massive potential for high-paying affiliate products. We're looking at products that pay at least $200 per sale, or offer lifetime recurring income. That's how you turn a small channel into a money-making machine. When you're in these niches, you're tapping into markets where people are actively looking for solutions and are willing to pay for them. Alright, so let's talk about this one video strategy. It's all about creating that one killer long-form video that does all the heavy lifting for you. This video becomes your sales machine, answering all the questions your potential customers might have. But you're not stopping there. You're also creating short-form content that acts like little hooks, pulling people towards your main video. Picture this, you've got one high payout partner channel generating $3,000 per month. That's the power of this strategy. Now here's a recap summary of what has been learned. Secret number 1, the best way to make money online. Secret number 2, how to find the best product to promote. And secret number 3, how to get unlimited traffic to your link easily. Now the question is, what's your next move? Would you rather learn all this by yourself through trial and error, spending years to figure it out? Or would you prefer to discover the exact process from someone who's already done it time and time again? Look, if you're serious about making real money online, the High Payout Partner Program is your ticket to success. I've laid out the blueprint for you today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on more content like this. Your financial future starts now. Are you ready to take the leap? Check out the links below.